I grew up with the veterans of the industry, and not for a moment did they ever make me feel that I was new. So Bachchan, I learned the value of time because for a 4 a.m. shift also, if he had to come, he would be there at 3:45. But it's a Big Boss house. As much as I think that, oh, this is me, I hope I don't prove myself wrong. I'm
about
very
that?
excited because I've never worked with Salman.
Okay.
I don't know him on a personal level. We are colleagues from the same fraternity. उनको एक ही बोलती हूँ कि हाँ मैं काम ढूंढ रही थी बिग बॉस के पहले, लेकिन लोग पहले तो फ़ोन उठाते नहीं हैं, और अगर उठाते हैं तो डिप्लोमेटिकली बोलते हैं कि अभी तो इंडस्ट्री में कुछ काम ही नहीं चल रहा मैम, जब भी काम होगा तो हम लोग आपको फ़ोन करेंगे. तो ये भी हुआ है मेरे साथ, अभी की बात कर रही हूँ. एंड आई एम नॉट बीइंग फेक और आई एम नॉट बीइंग डिप्लोमेटिक टू से नहीं कुछ था ही नहीं बहुत काम आया, लेकिन मुझे ये काम, मैं कोशिश कर रही थी काम के लिए, काम मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था, लोग मिलने को भी तैयार नहीं थे.
This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on Indian Express, and I'm in conversation with Big Boss 18 contestant Shilpa Shirodkar. Hello.
Hi Nawaz, how are you?
Very well. How are you?
I'm good, super excited. I hope you're too.
Yes. But why Big Boss?
Why not Big Boss? Everyone keeps asking me why Big Boss. I think, honestly, I am a huge fan of Big Boss.
Okay.
And for me, every time I have watched the show, my daughter is always saying, Mama, yeah, you should be there. Because I am a very, I am a very happy, loud, I'm a very talkative person.
Yes.
And I argue a lot.
Oh.
I argue a lot because in the sense that, you know what, as a mother, as a full-time mother, when you have to repeat one thing 10 times, on the 11th time, you've lost it.
Oh.
So for me, I feel that, oh my God, my daughter is saying, Mama, and then you're termed as a nagging mother or a nagging wife because you have to say the same thing, many
Right.
times. So he said, Mama, tula tithe जायला हवा बघ, तू तिथे ना, you properly tell them properly. So it was also that the family is very, very happy for me that I'm going into the house and I'm doing something I love to do. And I was looking for work because now my daughter is 20 years old, my husband travels a lot with his work, and I wanted to come back to do something for myself.
Yes.
And I was trying to look for work and connect with people and all, but everybody was like, ma'am, abhi to kuch kaam hi nahi hai and all that. And then Big Boss happened, and I'm taking it up because I'm an actor by profession and it's my job. And I think what better platform than this for me at this stage of my life.
1989 से अब तक, how many years? It's, I think so, 35 years.
Yeah.
35 years. And usme, what a legacy you've had. You worked with Govinda, you worked with Anil Kapoor, you worked with Mr. Bachchan, and so many
Everyone.
people.
Yeah.
So, are we also going to see you sharing so many experiences and stories in the house?
I would love to share my experiences because I started off in this career when I was all of 16 years old. And for me, this is my family. My industry is my home. It's my family. I grew up here.
Right.
I have such a beautiful book of memories. And I often meet people and they always ask me that, अरे जब आप आपकी फिल्में देखते हो तो do you even remember anything? You won't believe this, Nawaz, but every shot has a story to tell.
Really? Wow.
And for me, I hold it so close to my heart that if I get an opportunity in the house, I would love to share those beautiful memories. For us, every day was a learning. It's obviously changed today. People don't have the time. We made relationships. We created, people. We were so close to each other because तभी फिल्में 30 दिन में नहीं खत्म होती थी.
हाँ.
तभी फिल्में सालों साल लगता था एक फिल्म कंप्लीट होने में. And so it was just beautiful. I mean, I grew up with the veterans of the industry, and not for a moment did they ever make me feel that I was new. They were there to teach me. They were there to nurture me. They were there to tell me what is right and what is wrong, to share their own experiences with which you use them periodically in your lifespan as well.
Absolutely. If you have to tell me about one memory that, you have with, let's say, Mr. Bachchan, Mr. Anil Kapoor, Govinda ji? What would what would those memories be?
Well, with Mr. Bachchan, I learned the value of time. Because for a 4 a.m. shift also, if he had to come, he would be there at 3:45.
Wow.
And he never for once made anybody wait. He was so particular about his, and that also comes down to the passion for your work. And you can clearly see what he's doing today. I mean, he's still there and he's still the same. So for me, value of time came from him. From Anil Kapoor, it came value of discipline in terms of, and not that
Yeah.
Mr. Bachchan was not disciplined. Obviously,
Right.
all these things come from those spaces. But for Anil, he was so in the character all the time that it was, very difficult to have a normal conversation with him on the set if he was doing that particular role. So the dedication to his work, to all these, I mean, there is nothing that I can individually say that I learned this from this guy, this from this guy. I learned everything from everyone. And today, that hard work of theirs is still showing. No one is not doing it.
But are you still in touch? Like,
Honestly, I'm not in touch with anybody because I believe that everyone moves on. I got married in 2000 and I left the country and started living a completely different life. So I'm not actively in touch with anybody. But yes, if I do ever need anything and I do call them, they will always be there for me.